Marul buraya gel. Marul düşüyor anne. Anne marul. В ахуй, ты чё, блядь? Он вообще
Сладенький такой. Такой сладенький. Да.
Wants to cuddle with mama. Oh, okay. Olli, jeg får det på video, når du smager mig nu.
De der øjne, mand.
Oh, you want to mess this shit up? You gonna clean it up. Every last bit of it. You gonna clean it up, Skimpy.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
做一天了，一个活没有啊！1分钱没挣，哎呀！
Don't do it, Beaverts. Beaverts, don't do it.
That is not yours.
Он вообще
Mimi, where are we going? We're gonna go get cat treat?
Princess, what's up? No, tell me more. She did not. I can't believe that.
Aku ni bukan apa, tapi cumi.
对待臣民一片赤诚之心。
我他妈怀疑他是装的，我操！
这只是一厢情愿。百姓。
Where's your mama gone? Where's your mama gone?
Trying to record my full moon in Libra in March.
What are you doing? Should you be up there? Do you know how to get down?
Să nu-i plicuiești cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te și...
Drugi se že stalo, da
Ze heeft hetzelfde.
Otherwise, you're not gonna have enough height.
Oh, the chair's gonna fall. Oh, someone's gonna fall.
Penny, why would you try that?
Where are we going?
Get up. Get up. Come on, get up.
Yeah.
Don't bite me. Why'd you bite me? Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay.
Huh?
Food, of course. What's your favorite food?
Children.
One, two, three. You see that?
And this cat really wants to be friends with him. Oh, he didn't like that cat.
Hago esto para confesar que soy yo el que se roba las tangas de las vecinas. Ya no puedo cargar con esta culpa. También quiero decir que no doy la pensión de mis hijos porque me lo gasto todo en el table.
I messed up.
It's tomatoes. It's tomatoes. Lily, what you up to? You were stretching funny just now. No? No comment? Okay.
Okay. That. Oh. Hi. Oh, that was too good.
My bitch pose is nasty. Don't ever play with the cat. That elbow. That motherfucking finger that he...
Look at her head! She's so weird!
Why do you have evil ears? You have evil ears and an evil face. Please be nice. Ow! High five?
Are you hungry? Say yeah!
Near the water, and I turn around, I see this. Hella studious. Look at this studious ass fool. Damn, this fool studious.
Oh.
Okay.
Come here. Hey, can you sit? Sit. Good kitty. You got it.
Pick up all the trash off this floor. Nobody wants to pick it up.